Filtering the data. Filtering refers to separating the desired data from the whole data set. We need to display only selective data that meet some criteria. For example, you need to see the details of only those rooms which are not occupied. This can be done by filtering. Let us understand this by filtering out non-occupied rooms from the rooms data. Remember, the cell pointer should be on any cell of the data set, otherwise filter option will display an error. 1. Home tab, editing group, sort and filter drop-down, filter option. 2. Click open the down arrow of occupied column. 3. Uncheck the values which you do not need. Example, Y means occupied rooms. 4. Click OK. Notice the rows with value N in column occupied are filtered out. Office 2021. All options are same as in MS Office 2019. Number and text filters. Filter feature provides many options to filter the data on the basis of number values such as greater than, less than, between, top 10, not equal to, etc. Also, on the basis of text, data can be filtered such as ends with, begins with, contains, etc. Number filter example. Let us display the details of those rooms whose fare is less than 10,000. 1. Home tab, editing group, sort and filter drop-down, filter option, in fare drop-down, select number filters, less than option. 2. Specify the criteria, example 10,000. 3. Click OK. Rooms with fare less than 10,000 are filtered out. Text filter example. Let us display the details of those rooms whose room type contains the letter U. 1. Home tab, editing group, sort and filter drop-down, filter option, in fare drop-down, select text filters, contains option. 2. Specify the criteria, example U. 3. Click OK. Rooms with letter U in room type are filtered out. Conditional formatting. We know that formatting includes the appearance of the cell and its contents in various styles of fonts, borders, fill color, etc. The term condition signifies based on the value in the cell. So, conditional formatting is the appearance of the cell depending on the value in it. The conditional formatting feature allows us to specify the cell formatting which should be applied if cell contains a specific value. For example, if the cell has text N, then it may be displayed in light red fill color and red font color. Let us see how to do this. 1. Select the cell on which conditional formatting needs to be applied. 2. Home tab, Styles group, Conditional formatting drop-down, highlight cell's rules, text that contains option. 3. In the pop-up, specify the value for which formatting must be applied. 4. Specify the cell formatting. 5. Click OK. Tips and tricks. You can also select Custom Format option to set the cell formatting as you need. Set up the formatting in Format Cell dialog box. Similarly, you can check numeric values and apply formatting to the cells. For example, applying style to the cells which have room fares between 12,000 and 18,000.